Hello YouTube. Today I am going to talk about fillets and chamfers. We have this block from my previous video, so I'm gonna use fillet and chamfers on it. So the fillet option is here right on the taskbar. So by clicking that, we have four options of filleting. This is the constant radius filleting, where we select an edge and give its radius of bend, and it has a fillet. Okay. There are three other ways of filleting. This is a variable radius fillet. So select an edge and let us give me here 1 mm radius and here 10 mm radius variable fillet. So you can see we have 1 mm radius fillet and it goes up to 10 mm here. It's a variable radius fillet. We got another two option. It is the face fillet. We need two faces. This will be my first face and this will be my second face. So we got a face fillet here. We have other options, just we can make a full round fillet. For that we need three faces, means it will be full rounded. So first face, second face, third face. Okay, it's not selecting. We have to change. This is because of previous fillets. The first surface, second surface. Okay, it's a rebuild error, so let me delete some fillets here. Okay, fillets, full round fillet, face 1, face 2, face 3. Okay, done. It's a full round fillet. Now about chamfers. So by clicking that drop down menu, we have chamfer. For chamfer we have three options: angle, distance, distance and vertex. So in angle distance we have to define first the line. Then we can see from here the distance is 10 mm from here and it is about 45 degrees. So if I provide it 30 degree, the angle decreases. So let us keep as 45 degree. So it's a chamfer. Now there are other ways of chamfering, such as distance. So it is 10 to 10, so it's gonna give 45 degree chamfer. You can change it to 12 mm so that one of its size gets 12 mm. So we get another chamfer. Now we have another one option of chamfering, that is vertex. Actually we don't have any vertex here, so let me delete the fillet. Okay, now we do have chamfer vertex. So choosing vertex, I choose vertex. So it takes three distances, all are equal to 10 mm. From here to here 10, this to this 10, and this to this 10. So I can change it to, suppose 15, it goes 15 mm. So like that, there are 4 ways of filleting and 3 ways of chamfering. So this is the end of fillet and chamfers. I hope you like my video. Please share, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.